In this lecture video, we studied about the block diagram of speed governor together with hydraulic valve actuator in automatic generation control. Students, in the speed governor model, the speed governor model consists of two inputs. Okay, so the first input is del PG. Okay, the del PG is nothing but the output command of the speed governor, that is del PG. G represents governor. And then the another one is the movement del XC. C is the point on the linkage mechanism of the speed governing system. What are the two inputs of the speed governor is, the one is del P reference, that is change in reference power setting. Okay, P for power, REF means reference, the del represents change. Okay, therefore the del P reference represents the change in the reference power setting. The next one is del XB. B is the point on the linkage mechanism. The del F represents the change in speed of the generator, because the speed ns is directly proportional to frequency. So therefore the del F represents the change in speed of the generator as measured by the del XB only. Suppose the del P reference is positive. What is the result? The del PG, that is the governor output, that is also positive. Then the positive change in speed of the governor del F will result the linkage point B and C to come down, causing the negative speed governor output. Therefore, we get equation 1, del PG equal to del P reference minus del F divided by R, where R is the constant, the unit is Hertz per megawatt, which is called as the speed regulation of the generator. Students, now we studied about the speed governor model. Okay, then the continuation of the speed governor model. Now you see the circuit diagram. Okay, so what is the Laplace transform of the equation 1? Okay, the equation 1 is nothing but what? Del PG, that is equal to del P reference minus del F divided by R only. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now we take the Laplace transform for equation 1. So therefore del PG of S equal to del P reference of X minus del F of X divided by R. This is equation number 2. Okay, so now we can derive all the equations, only 2 equations for the speed governor model. Now you see the diagram. This diagram represents the block diagram of a speed governor model. Okay, in the speed governor model, you see this is the input, del P reference of S is the input. The output of the speed governor is del PG of S. So here the what is the input is del F of S into the 1 by R block only. So now you see the formula, that means del PG of S equal to plus del P reference of S minus del F of S multiplied by 1 by R means del F of S divided by R. Okay, so the equation 2 is obtained from the block diagram of the speed governor. Students, you can clearly understand the concept. That's why the previous lecture video I explained the speed governing of component of each model. Okay, that means the each component which are used in the speed governing system. So the previous lecture video I clearly explained the speed governing system. Now you got one idea about the speed governing system. Now we have to derive the equations and draw the model of the speed governor. Okay. Then hydraulic valve actuator. Okay. In the hydraulic valve actuator, the output of the hydraulic valve actuator is del PV. Because V is nothing but the valve. Okay. So valve power. Del is the change. Okay. So the del PV is depends on the position of the main piston movement, and then depends on the quantity of the oil flow in the piston. That means high pressure oil only is applied to the hydraulic amplifier. Okay. So therefore the del PV depends on the position of the main piston as well as the quantity of oil flow in the piston only. Now suppose the small change of del XD. Okay, del XD. XD means CDE. This is the link. Okay, in the link pivoted at D only. Okay, so therefore for a small change del XD, okay, in the pilot valve position, because the pilot valve position is related to the movement of the main piston. Okay, so then now the valve power, that is the output of the hydraulic valve actuator del PV equal to KH integral del XD into DT. This is the equation number 3. In the equation 3, the constant H, that means the KH represents a constant which depends on the orifice, cylinder geometrics and fluid pressure only. Now the input to del XD or del PG, this is the output of the governor, and then del PV is the output of the hydraulic actuator. These two only is nothing but the input of del XD. Okay, D is the point on the linkage mechanism. Now you note it down. The positive output of the governor del PG, that means therefore the change in the point D on the linkage mechanism del XD is positive. Okay, if the PG is negative means the del XD also negative. Okay. Now the continuation of hydraulic valve actuator modeling. Okay. So in this case the positive output of the hydraulic valve amplifier del Vp. So the more fuel is admitted because the valve position is upward. Upward means what? The piston moved upward only. So therefore the valve position, that means is there. Valve position is downward. That is the open position. So therefore the more fuel is admitted. So therefore the speed increases. The linkage point B moves downward. That means the speed governor movement downward only. Student, you clearly understand the output of the hydraulic valve actuator del PV. Del PV is positive. If del PV is positive means the valve position is indicated downward only. That is the open position only. So therefore valve opened, more fuel, that is the more steam is admitted to the turbine. So therefore that means the speed increases. Speed increases. Okay, speed increases. Then the linkage point B moves downward only. Moves downward. That is the speed governor. That means movement is downward. Okay. So therefore the linkage points C and D move downwards. Therefore the resulting the del XD is negative. The del XD is negative. Students, here you listen here. The del PG is positive. Del PG is positive. Del XCD also positive. Then del PV is positive means del XD is negative. Okay. Then this is the keep it in your mind. So therefore del xd equal to del pg minus del pv. Because if del xcd is positive, del pg also positive. So that theory concept is okay. Then if the del xcd is positive means the del pv is negative. So that theory also okay. So therefore the equation 4 is obtained. So del xd equal to del pg minus del pv. Okay. Now we take the Laplace transform. Okay. So previously we did the equation del pv of x, that is equal to ah del xd of x divided by s. Okay, because the constant Laplace transform, for example, if the 1 is taking the Laplace transform means 1 by x is the after the Laplace transform, this is the answer for 1. So therefore del pv of x equal to kh into del xd of x divided by x. This is the previous equation. Now this equation number 4, after taking Laplace transform, del xd of x equal to del pg of x minus del pv of x. Okay. Now the continuation of hydraulic valve actuator modeling. Eliminating del xd, and then you can writing the equation for del pv of s in terms of output of the speed governor del pg of s. We get equation number 5, that is del pv of s equal to del pg of s into 1 divided by 1 plus s into th, where th is nothing but hydraulic time constant. T for time constant, subscript h denotes hydraulic. So therefore the th represents hydraulic time constant. How to calculate the time constant? The formula th is nothing but the 1 divided by kh. Kh is the constant for hydraulic valve actuator. Now the equation 5 can be rewritten as we are considering hydraulic valve actuator transfer function gh of s. G for transfer function, h for hydraulic valve actuator. So therefore gh of x represents the transfer function of hydraulic valve actuator. So the gh of s equal to, that means del, that is the pv of s divided by del pg of s, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into th. In this formula the equation 5 can be rewritten as, in the equation th is nothing but the hydraulic time constant, which is represented by 0.1 second only. Student, now you see the circuit diagram. So this is the final block diagram of speed governor together with hydraulic valve actuator. Okay. So first we studied the speed governor. Speed governor means this is the speed governor block. If you can add that hydraulic valve actuator with speed governor model, we are getting speed governor together with hydraulic valve actuator. So from the diagram length, once again we can recall the formula. Del pg of s equal to del p reference of s minus del f of s divided by r. That is one equation. So the another equation, that is the del pv of s output divided by del pg of s, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into th. That is the transfer function of GH, that is the hydraulic valve actuator transfer function. Dear student, in this lecture video, I hope you clearly understand the speed governor model with hydraulic valve actuator. Thank you student for watching this video.